Credit Karma costs $0 in 2026 for credit scores, reports, monitoring, and financial tools. That's why millions use it. The catch is you're not paying with money. You're paying with attention. By the end of this, you'll know what Credit Karma actually gives you for free, where it makes money, and whether it's worth using. Here's the direct answer. Credit Karma is free. No monthly subscription. No annual fee. No charge to check your credit scores or reports. That includes access to your TransUnion and Equifax credit data. That's the core product. You can check score changes, open accounts, hard inquiries, and credit utilization without paying. That's useful because pulling your own report directly from Bayous can be slower and less convenient. Section 1. How Credit Karma makes money. Credit Karma earns through recommendations. When it suggests credit cards, loans, or insurance, and you apply, it can earn a commission. That's the business model. That means the product is free because you're part of the sales funnel. That doesn't make it bad. It just explains why the recommendations exist. Section 2. What it actually helps with. Credit Karma is strong for tracking. It helps you watch score changes, spot new accounts, and catch errors faster. That's useful if you're rebuilding credit with cards from Capital One or Discover. It also gives approval odds for certain cards and loans. That can save hard inquiries. But those odds are estimates, not guarantees. Section 3. What it doesn't do. Credit Karma doesn't give you your FICO score. It uses VantageScore. That matters because many lenders still rely on FICO. Your Credit Karma score can be different from what a bank sees. That's a key limitation. It's a tracking tool, not the final word on your credit. Quick recap. Credit Karma is free in 2026. No annual fee, no subscription, no hidden charges. The trade-off is seeing product offers and recommendations. The value is easy score tracking and credit monitoring. Your next step is simple. Sign up, check your current reports, and look for any errors before applying for new credit. If this helped you understand the real cost, like the video and subscribe.